The 2026 Mercedes EQG is estimated to start at around $162,000 USD, marking a bold new chapter for Mercedes-Benz as it brings its legendary G-Class into the fully electric era. This all-electric luxury SUV delivers serious performance with its quad-motor setup producing around 579 horsepower and roughly 859 lb-ft of torque, designed to maintain the G-Class's iconic trail-conquering spirit. Inside, the EQG features a lavish cabin filled with high-quality materials, dual 12.3-inch displays, exclusive audio systems and advanced driver assistance to match its prestige. With a 116 kWh battery and electric architecture engineered for both off-road ability and highway refinement, the 2026 EQG combines capability with luxury. The exterior retains the boxy, commanding presence of the classic G-Wagon while integrating modern aerodynamics and electric design cues. Scheduled to launch in 2026, this SUV is set to redefine luxury electric off-road performance. Stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to Incoming Cars for in-depth reviews, upcoming model coverage and all the 2026 launches coming your way.